In this question, you have to identify by which method offsets are produced. Option A, meiotic division. It is incorrect because meiotic division is associated with the formation of gametes, that is in sexual reproduction. But offset is a vegetative structure. Option B, mitotic divisions. Now, offsets are produced in plants like water hyacinth and pistia as a form of vegetative propagation which involves mitotic cell division. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, parthenogenesis. It is incorrect because it refers to the development of an embryo from an unfertilized egg. Option D, parthenocarpy. It is also incorrect because it refers to the development of fruit without fertilization, leading to seedless fruits.